just so you can see how much snow it is outside, um, this is the window to the hotel, and that's the floor. It looks like it's about a foot, maybe a foot and a half from the bottom of the floor. But look at the snow drift. This is the outside. This is how high the snow comes from the snow drifting. And then looking outside, looks beautiful, nice, beautiful winter wonderland. But the snow is pretty high. Looks like it's about a foot and a half, maybe 2 feet. Um, I don't know if that's a drift or not, but there's a guy outside. Looks like he's shoveling snow. That's a shame. How come we didn't get that guy a snow blower? Like, the guy works here, obviously. At least I think he works here. Like, I don't understand that. But anyway, but this is how it is. It looks pretty bad outside. There's, you know, snow everywhere. So, piled high. So, yeah, just thought I'd let you know how it's going out here.